Hi, I'm Lisa Alexander, and I'm a sound therapist. I'm also the creator of something called the Alexander Method of Vibrational Sound and Energy Therapy, and it has been changing the lives of people for the last decade. My clients, my students, and my practitioners, and their clients as well. So, can you make money as a sound therapist? Absolutely! Can you make money as a massage therapist? Absolutely. Well, we're one of those types of alternative medicines, those alternative healing that people are really coming to. And it's amazing because we heal with sound and energy, and that's what brought this world into being. The Big Bang was a sound. In the ancient Veda texts of Vishnu was awoken by the sound and vibration of the Om underneath him, and it was the word that brought in light. Sound came first in the Bible as well. So sound therapy has been around since ancient times in a variety of ways. And we know that through a variety of finds in archaeology. We have flutes that go back 100,000 years. So sound was really important. People spoke in grunts, which were sounds, before language came around. So now we're going back to what worked. So yes, you can make money as a sound therapist. You can make good money as a sound therapist. You can be in charge of your own schedule. You can work from home. Just like a massage therapist, right? They're so busy these days. Well, you know what? Massage therapy is somewhat limited because you're really just working on the body. But it feels so good, right? We love it. We pay for it. Well, sound therapy can work on the body, the spirit, the mind, the emotions, all the energy centers of the body. We can do so much more. And that's why we actually charge more. I actually have practitioners around the world who charge more than I do, and they're only at level 1, right? There's 3 levels to this modality, and they're only at level 1, and they're charging more than I am because they can. Because people are searching out alternative medicines now, and they're looking for something that feels good and works. And my practitioners are doing really well. They're excited, they're happy, they're vital, they're energetic, because every time you give a tuning, you get one. I'm in my late 50s and I feel better than I ever have, and I've been doing this for 10 years, and yes, I am making money and I enjoy it. More importantly, I absolutely enjoy it. But there's one thing I need to mention, and that is training. It's so important that you get the proper training. As a matter of fact, I was watching Gaia recently, and there was a physicist on there, and she was talking about sound and how important it is, how it always has been important, how it's coming back. And even she said, get proper training if you want to be a sound therapist, because we are working with energy, and we can mess things up for people if we don't follow something that we know is proven and works, like the Alexander Method. We've been doing this for 10 years. We know it works. We follow a specific method. Not only do we know it works, we have found that when our practitioners don't follow the method because they start watching a bunch of videos free someplace and starting to incorporate all that, they don't get the same results, and their clients aren't as happy. So look at it this way. If you've got a heart issue and you go to a cardiologist and he says, I got this, we got this. I bought a whole bunch of tools from Amazon, and I watched a whole bunch of free videos on YouTube, so we're good. Wouldn't you run the other way? Well, think about that when you go to a sound therapist, because this is actually a very precise thing. We're working with math and numbers and science, and it's not necessarily easy to learn, but once you get it, it flows like a symphony orchestra, because we are conducting the symphony orchestra of the body. So look for someone, even if it's not the method I teach, look for someone who's really trained in singing bowls or gongs or whatever it is they tend to use. Our method of choice is tuning forks, because they're very precise. They go to higher vibrations than gongs and singing bowls, and they can be carried just about anywhere. It's a little difficult to take the big gongs on the planes. So they can go with you. They can be part of your home toolkit. So yes, this is an amazing career. If you're looking to transfer into something as you retire that gives you the freedom and flexibility and the opportunity to earn money doing something you love, or you're right out of college and you just don't want to work in a corporate job, or you're a massage therapist and you're tired. I mean, massage therapists have to work really hard. Their bodies get strained, and I know that because I have a lot of clients who are massage therapists, and they come to me to recharge them, and they find that the work I do is actually more relaxing than getting a massage. So yes, becoming a professional sound therapist with the proper training and certifications will definitely be an amazing career where you can make good money and enjoy every single day of it. So please, join our Vibe Tribe. Join the Alexander Method. So if you like the information that I've shared with you in this video, please, please, please like, subscribe, and share. Let me know in the comments section. And please remember what your mother may have told you, at least what my mother did. If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. Because we know whenever you throw out negativity to someone else, it'll just come right back to you tenfold. So don't do that to yourself or me. So please like, please subscribe, please follow so you can get more tips and tricks on becoming your own guru.